Ever dream of vacationing in the Florida Keys, but having an entire key all to yourself? Welcome to Wander Islamorada Island, where luxury and nature blend seamlessly, making that dream a reality. I'm Nikki, and I'm gonna be showing you around this stunning, vast property. The home and pool house accommodate up to 10 guests with ease in these 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Here on your private island, you can enjoy a luxurious pool, a relaxing hot tub, your own private dock, your own tennis court, and so much more. Are you ready? Let's go check it out. The thrill begins as soon as you drive through the gates, knowing this entire property is all yours for the duration of your stay. Here at Wander Islamorada Island, you have this vast beach all to yourself, complete with this protected swimming area, which is a perfect opportunity for the kids to swim worry-free in the ocean. Sit back and relax on one of the many Adirondack chairs here and take in all that island bliss. With the soft sand under your feet and the warm sun on your skin, you truly feel like you have your own slice of paradise here. As soon as you step inside this home, you're instantly greeted by that authentic Keys home feel with the light neutral color palette and nautical art and decor. This living room just radiates coastal elegance and sophistication, which complements its beachside setting. One of the things I love so much about Wander is how the art and materials used to design the homes really reflect the location that the homes are in, giving you a really immersive vacation experience, like the accent walls of shiplap or this vintage scuba helmet and these creative palm leaf sculptures. Notice how the high-end contemporary furnishings of the home blend seamlessly luxury and comfort with those beach house vibes. This sunken living room is fit with this extra long plush couch and these 2 matching accent chairs, giving you plenty of room for everyone to kick back and relax and enjoy an epic movie night on the large flat screen TV, or better yet, go screen-free and enjoy a long overdue game night. Another Wander feature I look forward to at every home are the Sonos speakers that they have in most rooms of the houses. You can easily connect just with one button, and you don't have to worry if you forget your speaker at home. Speaking of tech, every Wander property has high-speed internet, so relax knowing that we've got you covered. We have this desk area here in case you need to plug back into reality, hop on a work call, or catch up on some last-minute emails. Next to the living room, we have this additional seating area here with 2 matching chairs and this gorgeous tree trunk coffee table. Here is also where you'll find this basket of fresh beach towels here for your use, as well as a croquet set for your daytime game time. Just before we reach the kitchen, we have this convenient bar area here equipped with a wine fridge, all sorts of different glassware, and everything you might need to tap into your inner mixologist. Perfect for all your hosting needs. Now, this lovely modern kitchen is finished with these sleek white marble countertops, a white subway tile backsplash, and white cabinetry. The kitchen is finished with high-end appliances, including a separate ice maker, adding a touch of luxury to the space. This kitchen is fully equipped with everything you might need to bring your culinary dreams to life. But you're staying on a private island, so do yourself a favor and contact our Wander concierge so they can recommend some of the best private chefs in the area to come into the home and bring that gourmet experience right to your table. Whatever you decide, you can enjoy those meals either here at the kitchen island with seating for 4, which I think is just an adorable spot for breakfast, or out here in the more elegant dining area, which is highlighted by this oversized wooden table and surrounded by 8 plush upholstered chairs. Or take advantage of the opportunity to dine al fresco out by the pool house, which I'll show you a little bit later. This hallway off of the common space is where you'll find the first 4 bedrooms in the home, each with a comfortable queen-sized bed, ensuring a restful stay for all of your guests. 2 of these bedrooms feature their own ensuite bathroom, while 2 share a Jack and Jill style bathroom. Enhance your family vacation with Wander by allowing us to provide some of those necessary children's items like a crib or a high chair, freeing up that precious space in your luggage. Now follow me upstairs where your dream primary suite awaits you. This spacious primary bedroom has a soft color palette of light woods and white, making it just feel so serene and tranquil up here. At its center is this stylish king-size 4-poster bed, which is perfectly complemented by the modern nightstands and other minimalist furniture like this chic gold frame bench. This bedroom is just flooded with natural light because you have windows on all 3 sides, giving you that panoramic view of the ocean vistas. Now follow me out here onto your own private balcony where you can enjoy your morning cup of coffee while you watch the pelicans fly by and even spot some fish in the crystal clear waters around you. Wander has truly gone above and beyond to bring you the most comfortable sleeping experiences in every single bedroom with hotel grade linens and high quality mattresses. I mean, I've gotten some of the best nights of sleep in my entire life, all thanks to Wander. We also have conveniently placed wireless charging stations next to every bed, so you don't have to worry about looking for an outlet or forgetting your charger at home. We want your experience here at Wander to be as hassle-free and comfortable as possible. Completing this luxurious retreat is your fabulous primary bathroom. You have a vanity here, which makes getting ready for an event or a night out feel like an elevated experience. You also have this oversized jetted tub, perfectly positioned for that ocean view. The double vanity sinks, perfect for 2, are accented with this blue trim, adding a nice coastal touch to the space. Your shower here, with 3 shower heads to choose from, is enclosed in this frosted glass with a palm tree design, further adding that tropical ambiance to the space. Every Wander bathroom is equipped with the top of the line products such as shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We ensure that you experience only the best, surpassing your expectations. In addition to these luxurious toiletries, we also offer the plushest, coziest towels and the softest Wander robes. I can tell you that putting on my Wander robe after a nice shower is the highlight of my Wander stay. Now that completes the interior of the main home, so let's go explore all that is waiting for you on this peaceful island, because staying at Wander Islamorada Island is truly an ocean lover's dream. First and foremost, this patio off of the main living room offers a great spot to hang out with this large couch and 3 matching accent chairs. This spot is awesome because you have a complete panoramic view of the ocean. This house is nestled in a lush oasis of mangroves and towering palm trees, creating a truly private experience here. Tucked between all that vibrant greenery is where you'll find your very own tennis court with night lighting so you can play well into the night. But if tennis isn't your game, no worries, there's also a basketball hoop for you here. This is really just a great spot for some games because of the amazing landscape surrounding you. This stunning pool is huge and the perfect place for a refreshing swim if you're looking for a break from the salt water. For even more relaxation, take a dip in this gorgeous hot tub, which is actually my personal favorite spot on the whole property for stargazing. Since we're down here in Islamorada, we are miles from the nearest city, so the lack of light pollution really gives you a magnificent night sky. Here on the pool deck, you have 8 lounge chairs to choose from with some umbrellas, so you can sit back and bask in the sun, or you can relax in the shade, whatever you prefer. This huge pool house patio is a versatile place to hang out and is furnished with these plush wicker couches, offering a great spot for a glass of wine while you watch the sunset, or simply take in the views and watch the boats go by. There's also 2 large dining tables here, perfect for alfresco dining. Completing this patio, you have a bar area here. You also have a conveniently located full bathroom here for your use out by the pool, as well as a Weber grill. Whether you've brought back your catch of the day or you've stopped into the local market for some fresh products, grilling is always just a great way to enjoy the environment and have some fun. Around the front side of the pool house, you'll find an additional bedroom with a queen-sized bed, a workstation, and a full luxurious luxurious bathroom here for you. This is especially great for guests looking for a little bit extra privacy. This charming little tree cave was honestly one of my favorite spots to discover on the whole island. With a couple Adirondack chairs, some nautical hanging decor, and a hammock, this is a great spot to disconnect out of the sun with a good book, or if you want to catch up with friends. Plus, the kids will absolutely love this. If you're wondering how to get here, the closest airport to Wander Islamorada Island is Key West International Airport, located about 77 miles away, or an hour and 45-minute drive. You could also fly into Miami International Airport, which is about 80 miles away, or you can fly into Fort Lauderdale International Airport, which is more like 110 miles away. We highly recommend renting a car for the duration of your stay. But if you are looking for a more fun way to get here, you could always charter a boat from Miami, which will take you about 2 hours and give you a scenic ride down here to the Keys. If you are planning to get here by boat, this private dock will greet you onto the property. The dock offers direct access to the boating channel and is also a great spot for fishing. Having access to your own private dock really just adds another layer of exclusivity to your stay. Do you ever feel overwhelmed with what to do on your trip? Are you planning a special event and you need some extra help making final arrangements? Feel free to text the number here anytime to reach out to our Wander concierge with questions. We are always here for you. And if you need any additional help with recommendations on things to do in the area, we actually have a travel guide that you can watch next with tons of recommendations on things to do and see in the area. Here at Wander, we truly believe that those special moments in life are meant to be celebrated together, and our properties offer the perfect backdrop for those occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette trip, or any other special family gathering, Wander is sure to give you an unforgettable experience. Visit wander.com/events to learn more about how you can make your celebrations extraordinary. Thank you so much for joining me here at Wander Islamorada Island. You are truly in for a treat. Don't forget to reach out to our Wander concierge at any time with anything that you may need. Welcome to paradise.